Alrighty, Fernando, how are you? Welcome to Skydive Dubai. What's going on, brother?
I'm searching for happiness, my brother.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna find it in skydiving, don't worry about that.
Waiting my whole life for doing this.
Awesome, bro. It's your first skydive?
My first, but that's my last one.
Awesome, well that's good. So you've met your instructor Jake, you understand all the instructions?
Yeah, perfect.
Any questions about the jump?
Yeah, everything is clear.
Alright man,
Just
you're
waiting
just
to get
ready
up
to
there.
go jump?
Yeah.
Awesome, brother. Super exciting. So is there anything you want to say to your friends and family?
Yeah, to the Drone Club family and my Tranquilania family, hi. I'm doing this for you.
Yeah, boys. We'll see you outside, man. Woohoo! Yeah!
My God!
Woo! Nice! Good job, brother!
Yes!
That was awesome, dude. Nice little dance. Good job, man. So I reckon you'll skydive again.
Yeah, definitely, man. Thank you for this.
It looked like you had a good time.
The best.
I reckon you're the happiest passenger I've ever seen, no jokes. Alrighty, you want to give a high five to Jake for looking after you? Congratulations, boys.